What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image slider in Shopify. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Shopify, or you can type admin.shopify.com. After typing admin.shopify.com, you will be directly welcome to the dashboard, or you can say the landing page of Shopify. From there, log in or sign up with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the Shopify homepage. Now, on after coming to the homepage, on the left side, as you can see, the online store section, click on it, and after that, go to themes. After coming to the themes, click on the customize button on the right side. After coming here on the left side, click on add section. Now you can add a new section from here. Now after coming to the add section, scroll down at the bottom and then you will see the option of slideshow. Click on this option and then boom guys, the slideshow option is now open. From here you can add your own themes and you can add your own image. After adding the slideshow, come back, just simply click on the back arrow button and then you will be welcome to your website, or you can say your homepage site again. And from here, you can add a slide like a group, or you can add some more slides from here. And after clicking, it will show you to copy and paste the image slide images from your browser, or you can use the pre-built images which are from Shopify. So this is how you can create an image slider in Shopify. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.